Understanding, laying off. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a common English phrase, laying off. Ever heard of it? Whether you have or haven't, by the end of this video, you'll have a firm grasp on its meaning and how to use it. Laying off is a term primarily used in the context of employment. When a company lays off its employees, it means the company is temporarily or permanently releasing the employees from their duties, typically due to economic reasons or restructuring. This is different from being fired, which usually happens due to an employee's performance or behavior. Example: due to economic downturn, the company is laying off 100 workers. The term lay off can also be used as a phrasal verb in informal contexts, which means to stop doing something or to tell someone to stop doing something. Example: you should lay off the sweets if you want to stay healthy. Lay off, I got this. To help you better understand, here are a few more examples of laying off in different sentences. 1. The factory had to lay off a large number of its workers due to decreasing demand. 2. I've been told to lay off caffeine. 3. He's been really stressed lately, so lay off him for now. It's essential to differentiate between laying off and firing. Laying off, often due to no fault of the employee. It could be because of budget cuts, company mergers, or other external factors. Firing, directly related to an employee's actions, performance, or behavior. And there we have it. Now you know what laying off means and how to use it in different contexts. English is full of phrases like this, and the more you learn, the more fluent you'll become. I hope this video has been insightful. Stay curious and keep learning.